I think I messed up. Or did I just discover my cat's hidden ninja skills? Cats are the ultimate ninjas of the animal kingdom. With lightning-fast reflexes and moves that defy gravity, these furballs are always ready for action. Did you know cats can twist their bodies mid-air to land on their feet? It's called the riding reflex, and it's their secret superpower. And those whiskers? They're not just for looking cute. They help cats judge space and detect nearby movement. So the next time you see your cat pounce on an invisible target, remember they're not just playing, they're training. Who needs superheroes when you've got cats? Keep watching to see more of these amazing feline feats.